My Publix haul for the week, or Publix Heist. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $96.96 worth of goods, and when it was all said and done, they paid me $8.11. So yes, I was paid in a gas card, which, I got $10 off when I did that. My vehicle doesn't run off of gas, but at some point I got 4 vehicles, so I'll use it at some point. Make sure you charge your vehicle at Publix if you have an electric car. Anyways, I'll be doing this every week. This is a week of November 12th through November 18th. I'll be trying to post this the first day of the sale, which is a Thursday. I'll be trying to upload the video. So basically I got some Purex laundry detergent. I got 6 of those. I got some contact solution. I got Tresemme shampoo. I got protein drink, delmonte veggiebowls. Got Icelandic Skyr yogurt. I got Quaker chewy bars, and I got some Airwick fresheners. All the links and the details are in the details below on where I got the coupons. I used checkout 51, ibotta, and manufacturer coupons. Here's what I needed to make it happen. We got manufacturer printables. All the links are in the details below to print the coupons and where I got them from, what insert. Tresemme had the manufacturer as well as you get a $5 gift card. Got manufacturer coupon for the Airwick, manufacturer for the Quaker, manufacturer for the delmonte, store for Purex. And then this was a kicker. I saved another 10 bucks. I got this. I also used ibotta and checkout 51. So as always, subscribe to that funny looking guy right there, and here's some more cool stuff right here.